Search engine optimization content writing is the art and science of creating valuable content that ranks well in search engines, while engaging human readers. It combines storytelling with technical optimization to achieve maximum visibility and impact. The essential components of search engine optimized content include keyword-optimized titles and headers, high-quality original content, strategic keyword placement, meta descriptions and tags, internal and external links, and mobile-friendly formatting. Keywords are the foundation of search engine optimization. There are three main types of keywords. Short-tail keywords are 1 to 2 words and usually have high competition. Long-tail keywords are 3 or more words and are more specific. Latent semantic indexing keywords are contextually related terms. For example, a short-tail keyword might be digital marketing, while a long-tail keyword is best digital marketing tips, and an LSI keyword is online marketing strategy. The process of keyword research includes researching, analyzing, and optimizing. Proper header structure is very important for SEO. There should be only one main heading, or H1 tag, per page. Major sections should use H2 tags and subsections should use H3 tags. Content should be wrapped in an article tag, and sections in section tags. Maintain a proper heading order from H1 to H2 to H3. Include target keywords naturally in the headers. Also make sure to use proper HTML5 sectioning elements. Meta tags and descriptions provide important information about your content to search engines and users. Title tags should be kept under 60 characters. Meta descriptions should be between 150 and 160 characters. Include primary keywords naturally in the title and meta description. These tags help search engines understand what your page is about and how it should be ranked. The title tag is what appears in the search result title, and the meta description is the short summary that appears under the title in the search results. When writing engaging content, provide immediate value to the readers through actionable insights and clear solutions. Each paragraph should serve a specific purpose and move the reader forward. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and clear headings to improve readability. Always write with the reader in mind. For example, instead of saying, "Search engine optimization is important for websites," you can say, "Boost your website's visibility with proven search engine optimization strategies that drive targeted traffic and increase conversions." The engagement flow begins with a hook, then provides value, and then ends with a call to action. Internal linking connects related content within your site. An internal link will use a relative path such as / related article. External linking links to authoritative sources. External links should use absolute paths such as https://example.com. External links should also include the nofollow attribute, as well as the target blank attribute. Internal links help build your site structure, and external links help add authority to your website. The length of your content can impact its search engine optimization effectiveness. Blog posts should typically be between 1,500 to 2,500 words. Landing pages should be between 500 and 1,000 words. Pillar content, which are the more in-depth articles, should be 3,000 words or more. Key metrics for quality content include comprehensive topic coverage, expert insights and analysis, content supported by research or data, and a clear structure and flow. To improve readability, keep paragraphs between 2 to 4 sentences. Vary sentence length, but aim for an average of 15 to 20 words per sentence. Use headers, subheaders, and formatting to create a clear content structure. It is important to make sure that your content is both readable and engaging. For example, a poorly written sentence such as, "Search engine optimization implementation requires careful consideration of multiple technical factors including, but not limited to meta descriptions, title tags, header optimization, and keyword placement, which must be strategically implemented throughout the content while maintaining natural readability and user engagement metrics," can be broken up into shorter, more easily digestible bullet points. Aim for an 8th grade reading level. Try to achieve a readability score of 60% and a scan time of 15 seconds or less. Before publishing your content, make sure you have completed all of the steps in your checklist. This should include keyword research and placement, header structure optimization, meta tags, and descriptions. Check the readability score as well as the internal and external links. Verify the content depth. The optimization process includes researching, optimizing, publishing, and monitoring your content. Progress can be tracked by technical SEO progress, content quality progress, and user experience progress. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.